So traditional warehousing versus order fulfillment. So in a traditional setting, when we're talking about warehousing solutions, you have essentially your supplier who's building the goods for you, and they bring a completed product essentially to market. Your goods go into a large bulk distribution center and then are sent in bulk to some sort of intermediary, whether that's the distribution center itself directly distributing the goods, or whether they're taken to a store in bulk, and then from the store, your customers are going to that direct source to purchase the goods. What that means is that there's a lot of inventory movements in this case, and they're all pretty much bulk movements of material from one bucket, as it were, to the next. Traditionally, in this case, your product doesn't generally sit in any one given area for a set length of time. It's all kind of based on what your customer is purchasing, what your commodity is, all of those kind of things. But there are lots and lots of opportunities in this case for cost to be added, because you're moving the material around to so many different intermediaries. And that means you're opening up, for the potential for damage, and there's a definite amount of risk involved there in that regard. When we're talking about order fulfillment, we're traditionally talking about basically the orders going from a supplier to some sort of distribution center that can handle all different models. They're not just handling bulk channel fulfillment. An order fulfillment center can handle obviously those bulk fulfillment models directly to something like Amazon FBA or something of that nature, but they can also handle even the smallest possible distribution method where you're sending one unit directly to an individual end user. And a good omni-channel distribution center additionally can handle everything from the inbound receipt of those goods, the inspection processes, the put away of the inventory, but also they can handle the compliance side, the order fulfillment and processing where they're actually doing PO management and things of that nature for your goods.